What if I told you the next frontier in global data isn't on Earth, but 238,900 miles away on the Moon? Imagine quantum computers operating with unlimited solar energy and perfect natural supercooling. This isn't science fiction. The Moon's far side offers perfect radio silence, and its stable geology provides unbeatable security for our most critical data. Recent breakthroughs in reusable rockets and quantum miniaturization are bringing this lunar data revolution closer than you think.
Your Tuesday arrived when rent jumped $500 and your salary didn't. You're doing everything right, yet you're still one bad month from disaster. What if you could reach financial independence in 7 years, not 40, without quitting your job, without coding? Just AI tools that turn 30 minutes of work into real income streams. Inside AI-powered financial independence, you'll get the real freedom number, 5 beginner-friendly passive income ideas for busy professionals, and a 30-day blueprint to your first $500 per month, no experience needed. Real people like Emma, the marketing manager who retired at 39, or James, the bank analyst earning $3,400 a month on the side, are already doing this. They weren't special, they just learned the system you haven't been taught yet. The book is just $11.99, less than 2 takeout dinners. For that, you get a year-by-year roadmap, real numbers, and AI strategies that actually work. 7 years from now, you'll be 7 years older, whether you start today or not. Your choice is now. Link in bio to get AI-powered financial independence on Amazon.
Earth's data demands are exploding. But what if the solution was right in front of us? On the Moon, our current setup is unsustainable. Data centers already use 3% of our electricity and emit as much as the entire aviation industry. The Moon's unique environment could revolutionize computing. Quantum systems there could be thousands of times more powerful, enabling breakthroughs in AI and medicine. And the lag, it's disappearing. New laser tech is making real-time control of lunar computers a reality, turning science fiction into fact. Beyond technology, the Moon could be a neutral ground for global data governance, uniting our fragmented digital world under fair, universal rules. The future of computing isn't just on Earth, it's litter. What if a single catastrophe could erase all of human knowledge? Our greatest achievements, our history, our future, gone. But what if we had a backup drive, a secure vault, beyond the reach of terrestrial disasters? A lunar data infrastructure, reusable rocket technology, has slashed cost by 90%, making regular lunar resupply missions economically viable for the first time. Autonomous robots, built for resource extraction, can adapt to construct and maintain data centers, working tirelessly in the harsh lunar environment. These technologies are converging, turning a speculative concept into a practical reality within the next decade. This is more than technological progress. It's the dawn of a new era, where humanity secures its legacy among the stars. The computational advantages offered by lunar environments could accelerate artificial intelligence development by providing processing capabilities impossible on Earth. We could compress decades of AI progress into years through quantum computing breakthroughs enabled by the Moon's unique physical properties. This acceleration could solve humanity's most pressing challenges, from climate modeling with unprecedented precision, to protein folding for disease eradication, to optimization algorithms for global resource distribution, by providing computational resources that transcend Earth's physical limitations. The Moon's role as a neutral computing platform could also foster unprecedented international cooperation in an era of increasing geopolitical fragmentation. The technical challenges remain substantial but surmountable. Radiation hardening, autonomous systems, reliable power, and high bandwidth links. But each has viable solutions emerging from current R&D. The question is no longer whether lunar computing is possible, but when the economic and technological convergence will make it inevitable. The implementation roadmap for lunar data infrastructure unfolds through carefully sequenced phases over the next 15 years. Phase 1, already underway through NASA's Artemis program, focuses on establishing basic transportation, power, and autonomous operations. Reusable landers deliver multi-ton payloads, while solar array deployments provide continuous power, transforming the moon from destination to work site. Autonomous robotics handle site preparation, building the foundation for future computing facilities. Missions prioritize optimal locations, polar craters with cryogenic environments next to sunlit ridges, and stable lava tubes offering radiation protection. Phase 2, projected for 2028-2035, introduces specialized computing payloads to validate lunar operations and deliver initial services. These facilities enable quantum computing experiments, benefiting from the moon's unique cryogenic conditions and vacuum environment. Astronomical data processing leverages the radio silence on the far side, free from terrestrial interference. And secure communications networks utilize the moon's position as a neutral, stable relay point, building the infrastructure for the next giant leap in human civilization, one phase at a time. What if the future of human progress wasn't on Earth, but on the moon? A new era of computing is about to begin. Autonomous maintenance systems prove critical, with robotic arms capable of replacing components, cleaning solar arrays, and performing diagnostics without human intervention. Radiation-hardened computing architectures developed for space. It evolved toward commercial viability as manufacturing scales and costs decline. By 2035-2040, Phase 3 scales these concepts into full-scale data centers. Modular design enables incremental expansion, with units delivered by cargo missions and assembled autonomously. Quantum computing emerges as the flagship application, achieving coherence times impossible on Earth, enabling breakthroughs in materials science, pharmaceuticals, and AI that transform multiple industries. Beyond 2040, Phase 4 envisions fully autonomous lunar computing cities, vast networks operating continuously, maintained entirely by robotic systems and controlled remotely from Earth. These facilities become humanity's computational backbone, tackling our greatest challenges: climate modeling, global energy optimization, and training AI systems beyond our current imagination. In an era of digital division, what if our greatest frontier became our greatest unifier? Imagine the moon as a neutral global data server, a common infrastructure serving all of humanity, not competing national interests. This isn't just a technological achievement. It's a proven ground for humanity's expansion into the cosmos, paving the way for Mars and beyond. The computational power unlocked would accelerate AI development to unprecedented levels, tackling challenges beyond our current reach, enabling planetary-scale climate modeling to predict disasters with incredible accuracy, transforming how we prepare and protect our planet, revolutionizing medicine through quantum simulations, identifying treatments for incurable diseases by modeling molecular interactions with perfect precision, and unlocking materials science breakthroughs like room temperature superconductors that could revolutionize energy and computing as we know it. These possibilities are grounded in physics and momentum. The convergence of reusable rockets, robotics, and quantum tech makes this future inevitable. Final Frontier is not a new world to conquer, but a new tool to elevate us all. The question is, are we ready? What if the next great computing revolution isn't happening in Silicon Valley, but here? We're exploring the transformative potential of winter computing infrastructure, a breakthrough reshaping our world. Discover how AI, space tech, and quantum computing converge to solve humanity's greatest challenges. If this insight is valuable, subscribe to Tomorrow Intelligence, like and share with fellow innovators. Join our community of forward-thinking innovators, building the inner